Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to technoboy, and today I have this MOSFET amplifier with me. It's a mono amplifier. These are two transistors on this side, two transistors on this side. They are IRFP 250 and IRFP 9250. Same here on this side. So this is a bridge mono amplifier. This thing is going to give me more than 250 watt if I give it a proper amperage and power supply. This thing cost me 800 and something, and I bought it from a local store. You can see the power trick written on the board, so I guess that this is from Power Trick, and this is an assembled board, so it is not any branded or something like that. This is box packing, and you can see one coil here and one coil here. So speaker output, one will be coming from here and other will be coming from here. Here you can see SP and SP written. So this is one point and this is another point. This is a speaker output. Here you can see the input. That's the minus and the plus, and this is the input. This is the ground side of this mini capacitor, and this is the ground. So input, this is the positive and this is the negative. That's the input. And the power supply, you can see it's pointed here. This is a positive, the red one. Both side they are connected, and the negative, the yellow one, side they are connected. So this is a negative and this is a positive, so you can connect the wire anywhere in this line here. I'm gonna connect here, I guess, and the negative one here, I guess, and the ground is ground for input and power, all the stuff. So it needs 24024 to 30030 the transformer, and from there you need to use a good rectifier kit with at least 4 capacitors of at least 6500 MFT each. So that will give you a proper DC power supply, and that is going to carry amperage from the transformer. So that's it. I am gonna do the testing later. I don't know how it's gonna sound. Well, this is a mono amplifier, so this is for the subwoofer, and you can easily use a 12-inch subwoofer, a Sony Pioneer, JBL, whatever you like. Okay, so that's it guys. This was the video of this mono amplifier, and I just wanted to show you. I'm gonna connect it later. Well, I don't have the power supply right now with me, so I'm gonna do the test later. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.